everyone. Today I'm going to share how to kill boredom. So I think we feel bored when we don't have clarity, right, of like what you want to do, right? Or sometimes maybe you have too much on your plate and you want to do nothing, right? So that could also be the reason. Or third thing could be that you are very good at your job, right? You do the job which other do in 10 hours, you do in 1 hour, and then you feel like, okay, what should I do in rest of time, right? So I see like a lot of people are in third category as well, especially if they are entrepreneur and their business works automatically. So I was also at that place, I think 3 to 4 years back. So that's why I'm going to share like how to kill boredom, right? So if your business work automatically online, then how you can kill boredom is that learn something new at that particular time. So maybe you can go ahead and learn about online marketing, email marketing, sales, right? If you're an entrepreneur, or like if you're a creative person, you can learn anything. You can learn dancing, you can learn any new skill which you have interest in, right? You can read a wonderful book. So I think books also truly inspire you, right? So you can read any wonderful book as well. So I think the time which we are going right now, so books I can recommend which can truly help you at this particular time. Our Universe Has Your Back, which is written by Gabby Bernstein, and Everything is Figure Outable by Marie Forleo, right? So these two are really wonderful books. So especially at this time, if you will read it, it will be truly helpful to you, because both the books are truly inspiring. So yes, so you can read so any book, all right? So I love reading spiritual books or inspiring books, or I love reading sales books as well. But particularly the time which we are going on right now, so these books I can recommend right now. So yes, either you can read a book, right, or you can learn something new, right? Or if you have a time, you can go ahead and create some great product as well, right? Maybe you want to write a book from very long time, right? Or you want to do something new, right? So you can go ahead and do in this time. So whatever you want to do, you can do, right? Maybe you want to learn makeup, you can learn makeup. See, I'm learning how to do makeup. So I have tried to mix two eyeshadow, pink and blue, though I'm not very good at it, and it's still not perfect. So I'm very good at applying light eyeshadows like pink or golden. So at that you don't need any skills, right? I just apply one eyeshadow. But if I apply dark one, like I truly love blue eyeshadow, but once I applied on my sister's, on my brother's birthday, and then I felt like it was not so good. So I'm trying, like, if I go to a party, like it should look perfect or I have to apply the light one. So the light one are great, right? But if it's a dark one, then I need to go ahead and learn. So I'm learning. So I'm not so good at makeup, so I'm learning makeup skills, right? So yes, or like I love to learn about styling as well, right? So you can learn whatever you want to learn, right? Also, because of coronavirus, I have learned few healthy recipes. So like I'm cooking at home, right? So though I don't used to cook on like Monday to Friday, I only used to cook on Saturday, Sunday. But because of coronavirus, I have learned to cook my own meals. I'm not saying I'm cooking all the 3 meals, as much as I can, right? So yes, I'm happy about it. Yes, also like I'm very bad at cleaning, so I love to learn how I can go ahead and be more organized person, right? So you can also go ahead and learn anything, right, whenever you have time. Or you can go ahead and create any new product as well. All right, so yes, So it's always good to learn a new skill as well, all right? So like if you're doing, you can take 1 hour out of your schedule and you can learn something new, because that actually makes you truly happy as well, right? So you guys know I started learning dance 2 years back. Yeah, two years back. Yeah, I think 2017, so it's going to be almost 3 years. So so yes, so 3 years back I started learning dancing, and it's so much fun. It makes me truly happy, and yes, and that's why I'm able to share my happiness with you guys as well, because dance actually makes me truly happy. So then I dance for 2 hours, and then I share that happiness with you guys. So you guys can also do something which makes you truly happy. Maybe just do it for 30 minutes or just do it for 1 hour, right? So I think we can go ahead and take out time for self-care for ourselves, right, out of our time. So it's very, very important to take out time for yourself, so that you can be truly happy in your life, right? So I think, or you can declutter as well, right? So yes, or like if you guys have any ideas like what you do, and so I see like many people are, you know, uploading great content on internet as well. So that is your wish, how much content you want to upload. And if you want to upload content, or if you want to do some introspection, that is individual choice, right? So I think we all are going through our individual journey, right? And I don't believe in judging anyone. Also, I have learned in my journey that though I'm just sharing my journey, but like I also like listen to what my, you know, guides are saying, or what my gut says, or what your intuition says. I'm not saying that what I'm saying is only right? So that's why like you should listen to your own soul, like whatever your intuition says, go ahead and follow that thing. I'm just sharing my journey. It might help you out or it might not, right? Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.